None imagine plunging into the vast, mysterious world of the deep sea. Out here, the giants roam freely, majestic whales, the true titans of the ocean. With each colossal splash, they leave us in awe. But it's not just the whales that dazzle. Picture the vibrant corals, the swirling schools of fish, and the eerie glow of bioluminescent creatures. Each one, a marvel of nature's creativity. Did you know some whales can sing? Their haunting melodies can travel miles underwater, creating a symphony of the sea. And there's still so much we don't know about these gentle giants. The deep sea is a realm of discovery where the extraordinary is every day. From the tiniest plankton to the mighty blue whale, every creature plays a role in this underwater ballet. So next time you're near the ocean, take a moment to appreciate its mysteries and the majestic life within. The deep sea's wonders are just waiting to be explored. Stay curious, nature lovers.